Is San Francisco as bad as the news makes it out to be?
No, absolutely not. It's not as bad as people think it is. I mean, yeah, we have a homelessness problem and the streets could be a little bit cleaner, but it's honestly not that bad.
Is San Francisco as bad as Fox News makes it out to be?
Hell nah. I think it's just the gentrifiers that do that.
Is San Francisco as bad as Fox News makes it seem?
No, not at all. I mean, we be chilling out here.
Is San Francisco as bad as Fox News and the news makes it out to be?
Most of the people that talk about San Francisco like that don't live here.
If you come here, I think it's like a whole different situation than how the news portrays it. I'm biased because I live here, but this is my favorite city in the world.
I agree. I don't think it's that bad. I don't think it's perfect, but yeah, it's not bad.
Is San Francisco as bad as they say it is on the news?
No, not really.
I'm getting it on record now. Absolutely not. Come have fun, enjoy yourself. It's a great place to live. These people are commenting from the middle of nowhere.
Is San Francisco as bad as the news makes it out to be?
Never that. Never believe the media unless it's Mario.